Yeah, good day, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. This is Demso Live. Sorry for the break in transmission. You know, there's a way we normally do our things. Just like I told you, continue. Like we have finished offloading the 8th container in the month of September. First batch of 4 came in the first week of September. The second batch of 4 came in the last week of September, which is today is the last day of September. So now, as you are saying, this is the 8th container. This is the first car that is coming down, and this container has two big vehicles, a 2021 Corolla and 2021 ES350, and the Camry 2012 and a Corolla 2010 or yes 2010 or 2012. So as we to tell you, the same way we will take start and so we take end. I don't know if you recognize any of this vehicle when Demso was advertising about it. This is the Nissan Altima. Oh, Sentra, sorry. Remember the Sentra, this is the ES. This is Demso banner. This is the ES 2016. This is the Altima, sorry. Why this is the RS 350. You see? Yeah, got it, yeah. So the 8th container, the first car that is coming on the container. So most of the clients are here that have these vehicles there. So this is another Highlander, the Highlander 2018. Why this is Jaguar F-Pace 2019. Alright. Then this is the Outlander Mitsubishi. You can see the process. Let's see how it goes. Then you can see the RX and the ES. So how we roll. I've forgotten the Camry 2012. So we're just taking you a random view. We just finished offloading number 8 in the September, 9th month of the year of 2025. The car have arrived. Welcome. So you see the owner of these vehicles, they are here to witness their offloading. See, this one have already started fixing his own vehicle. So as so we walk, as so we the show. So now what we sabi do, now we learn. So ladies and gentlemen, we thank you all for patronizing Demso Auto. Thank you for the love you're showing for Demso Auto. And thank you for the blessings you have been giving to us. Our God they give, and our God they bless. Because as you continue to bless us, our God will continue to bless you. As you continue to remember us in your need, in the times of our need, as our God will remember you in the times of your need. Amen.